What's up, Crumble Squad? It's your girl Cookie, and happy Saturday. I feel like it's been forever since I've said happy Saturday because I've been traveling, you know, just doing me, I guess you can say. Anyways, I'm so happy to be back. If you're part of Crumble Squad, I love you guys. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not part of Crumble, and if you're not part, oh my god, if you're not part of Crumble Squad and you want to be part of it, which you should be, hit that subscribe button and we can all be a fam. So anyways, you guys, my most favoriteest time of the year is coming up, and if you know me, you know this is my favorite time of the year, and that is Halloween. Yes, Halloween. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm so excited. So in honor of like doing Halloween and like stuff, I'm gonna attempt a Halloween makeup tutorials. We'll see how this goes. That's the most I can say about it. So yeah. So I figured, since also if you have not seen It 1, oh my god, go see it. I'm telling you, it is a good movie. But anyways, part 2 is coming out, so I was like, you know what, Halloween and It, why don't I just do the I was about to say the It commercial, the It tutorial. And the only one, of course, is James Charles that does it, so we're gonna see. I'm not trying to be rude, but like, you definitely have stuff like, wait, so I should like do my eyebrows right now. It's definitely liquid eyeliner. Wait, no, eyebrows, liquid eyeliner. So we're gonna be using this cheap eyeliner, not eyeliner, eyebrow thing. So I think that looks creepy. Oh, so this is the palette that I'm using. It was like $5 from like somewhere that I don't remember. It don't even have a name. It's just called Eye, Lips, and Face. We're gonna move on. I don't know what, like, this sounds really bad. I have no idea what's around his mouth, but like, it's really bothering me. I'm gonna try this again. Then he's spreading it. This isn't coming out like it. Ew. So, ow. I just poked my eye really hard with that. It's happening. Like, got the makeup all over my finger, but my eyes itchy. This is girl problems. So, to do a cat, oh my god, I'm terrible at cat eyeliner. Oh. Did I really just do that? This is why I hate doing cat eyeliner. Oh wait, he did like a triangle. Ooh, wait. I actually like that triangle. It kind of looks cool. I'm not even gonna lie. You know what? Bruh. I can see it. Oh, it came out crooked. Like, there's no turning back now. Oh my god. There we go. A circle. Oh my god, it looks like I got a big bruise on my nose. I look like Joker's bootleg cousin. Like, this is like who you get when you're like, oh yeah, I'm trying to order I legit just said ET. When you're trying to get it or the Joker, but you couldn't afford it, so you got this. So okay, this was. Oh, let me fix it up then. I mean, I thought there was gonna be more help to this, but I think that was it. All right, well, I guess that's this is it. Let me switch it to the transition of when they like model it for you, and go ahead. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on the bell notifications so you can know when I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys next Saturday.